first thing to do is to have good eye contact. Not where you're staring and looking odd and weird or anything, but just have a good eye contact. Look away, look at the room, look away, look at the room, look at the individual, things like that. Relax. The second thing I would recommend is to have really good posture and to also appear as if you're relaxed. Don't feel so tense. The next thing I highly recommend is to smile, because this is what's going to open up, an opportunity for a second or third date. And it's also what's going to make you feel good and more relaxed. The more smiling you do, the better. And also, I think it's really important to be a good listener and pay attention to what it is the person that you're talking with is saying, because that's really important. Having good body language and appearing as though you're listening to the individual. Those are things that I would recommend to calm your nerves on a first date.